Guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen, my little messy kitchen. I hope you're doing great. And welcome to my new channel, Risa's Recipes. I'm just so happy that you're here and hopefully you've subscribed and tell everybody. Before I start my new video, I just want to show you that I was experimenting and I'm going to be doing another video, and they are my new zucchini flatbreads. What do you think? They are super delicious and only one smart point. And today I'm going to teach you how to make amazing, delicious, high protein, low fat burgers, zucchini turkey burgers. Try saying that a few times. Zucchini turkey burgers. Who doesn't love a burger, right? And they're great all year round. You can barbecue them, you can pan fry them, you can bake them, you can grill them. You can do so many things and have them for brunch, for lunch, for dinner, okay? And I like to switch things up all the time. And I'm in a zucchini mood. I get like that. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients you're going to need. And it's great for anybody who loves turkey, or you can change the protein if you want as well. So what you're going to need is, I buy this turkey meat and it's 454 grams. And I get it. It's the Maple Leaf Prime from Walmart. 2 packages for $12. So I think it's a pretty good bargain. So I'm just going to add that to a nice big bowl. And I've taken just a half of zucchini, and it's a half a cup's worth, okay? And I'm just going to add that. I just shred it. You can see that it is just grated. I just use my grater. If you have a Cuisinart, you can use that, but it's very quick to just grate it up. And then I took a vidalia onion and I grated it as well, a 1/4 cup, okay? So just gonna add that. Now, the only thing you're gonna be counting on freestyle if you're doing Weight Watchers is your breadcrumbs. You could use oatmeal if you want, if you're gluten-free and you're watching your gluten intake. And you could even take croutons and crush them up. You can be creative. You can use panko crumbs, but I'm just using some seasoned breadcrumbs. A 1/3 cup is 3 smart points. All right, I'm going to add that after. So I'm just going to sprinkle in some pepper, some black pepper, and using a sugar-free barbecue sauce, okay? So if you want to use regular, you can. 1 tablespoon of sugar-free barbecue sauce. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of some Dijon mustard. Now you can use whatever brand you want, all right? It doesn't matter. So 1 tablespoon. These are going to be super moist and delicious. And you know that if there's anything that I'm using you don't like, you can switch it up to what you like, all right? And I'm going to take a teaspoon of some onion powder. I'm going to use a teaspoon of some garlic powder. I'm going to use some Worcester, a teaspoon. I like lots of flavor. I found a low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. Okay. And some chili flakes. You don't like chili flakes? I'm just going to sprinkle in a little bit just to give it a little zip. And if you want to use some Frank's hot sauce or sriracha, you can do that as well. All right. And I love using Himalayan pink salt. Lots of health benefits. So you just put in a little bit of that. And I preheated my rock grill over here. And I just use a little bit of olive oil spray and you can use what you want. And then I'm just going to add my 3rd cup of breadcrumbs. And I use my hand because I just like to, and I don't like to overmix it. I just want to make sure that I've incorporated all the ingredients. So you can see there's no extra fat. I'm not even using eggs. And you'll see they'll stick together. And within a few minutes, you have your whole mixture, okay? And that's it. You don't want to keep mixing and mixing and mixing it. And that's all it takes. Now, the thing that I love to use, I have these little cookie cutters, so then I get them all the same size. So you can just take them and pat them down. It doesn't matter. You can find little hamburger ones that you can use as well. Be creative, do what you want. And then I just take some of the meat, and then I form a burger like so. Just going to show you. I'll pick it up, and I love that they come out so nice and even. And I've made a bunch already. Okay, and so if you want, again, like I said, you can bake them. I would say for about 45 minutes. I haven't baked them. I always usually grill them or barbecue them. And you can add some extra barbecue sauce on top if you want. You don't have to. It's all up to what you like, okay? So I have my pan on, and I'm just going to add one of my burgers. I got 6 burgers because I've already made them, okay? So depending on how big you want them, how small you want them, so you can have 2 burgers for 1 Smart Point. I know, pretty amazing, right? Especially if you're on WW Freestyle. So I'm just going to add it here. And what I did was I had timed my other burgers that I made, dun, da, 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 for 5 minutes on each side. But, you know, again, you cut into it, you see, just like when you barbecue, you don't really necessarily time them, but you're going to check them, and you might cut into it and just make sure if you like them medium or well done. It's all up to you, okay? So I got 6 burgers. I can show you. There's my 3. And there's my other 3. I'm going to have my husband barbecue those. And that's basically it. I bought these Smart Buns at the low-carb grocery store. You can also check them out on Amazon or different grocery stores. They're 1 Smart Point. So a burger, like 2 burgers with this, 2 Smart Points, and then add whatever toppings you like: pickles, tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, a little bit of light mayonnaise, some more mustard, ketchup, whatever you like, and fabulous with a salad or some steamed vegetables, so you have a balanced meal, okay? So I'm all about balance, having some high protein. I like a low carb, option, and once you make my zucchini flatbreads, you can even put one on a flatbread. Why not, right? You knew I was going to get that in. So that's it. These are cooking. Well, that one's cooking, but I wanted to show you that I had already made them. Don't they look amazing? I had to take it off because they were going to start to burn. So you can see that they are really yummy and really delicious. If you want to use other onion, I use Vidalia onion, but I forgot to mention, you can use red onion, you can use green onion. You don't like onion, don't put it in, people. So that's it. I hope you love this recipe. Continue to ring the bell, subscribe. All my recipes are written under each video. And if you want extra support, you know I have my Facebook group, or you might not know, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. So check it out. You're all welcome to join my group for extra inspiration, motivation, and I have almost 26,000 people across the world. So take care. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now and happy cooking. Enjoy the burgers. Tell me what you think.